How's about this for a trade? I beat you into a fucking pulp, and you give me my arm back. This one will cost you an arm and a leg, brother!
Oh my god, he's literally me. We're so much alike.
What's the matter, brother? Does your arm hurt? Because I can fix that! I will give you the pleasure of killing me! Gotta get away! Gotta get away! Oh no! Your form is incredible!
Nice titties. Mind if I,
Just because I had a dream of being pounded in the ass and I was aroused when I woke up doesn't make me gay. It was fucking hot, okay? A big ass 6'5" werewolf looking guy with huge muscles bear hugged me and I was just face against the glass.
Sleep, I know you want to cry all night. Shoot yourself! Shoot yourself now! Shoot yourself now! You're going to shoot yourself now! 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 Yes! Yes!
Let's make chicken fried grapes with watermelon Kool-Aid sauce.
Alright, first things first, you're gonna clean off your grapes and throw them bad boys in the freezer for 2 hours. Throw your water in the pot with your watermelon Kool-Aid, some sugar, some cornstarch, and some honey. Then you're gonna let it cook till it get thicker than Nicki Minaj. Season some flour with my everything. Season and throw your grapes in there and coat it. Flour, egg, flour, then you're gonna fry them bad boys up. Dip your grapes in your watermelon sauce and you already know this bustin'. Listen to that crunch.
We've stolen.
Nigga! Let me in my door!
I am announcing my imminent masturbation. I am aware that the announcement of imminent masturbation has been a serious reoccurring issue lately, and I am here with my bottom-level social skills to ensure that it will only worsen. I hope that these great houses full of mostly male members will appreciate the fact that I will soon be coming and offer me that coveted high five that I so surely deserve. As the announcement of imminent masturbation is not in the current rule set, I will continue to toe this line. Any and all action taken against me by the tribunal will be considered extrajudicial, and I will retaliate by mobilizing my army of alts. If any males want to provide me a high five or emotional gratification, please do so. If any females wish to provide me sexual gratification, thank you. And please remember, I am now masturbating.
You see Banana Man hopping over on the white hot sand. Here he come with some for me, freshly taken from banana tree. Banana Man, me want a done. Give me double and a bonus one. Give me more for all me friends. This banana flow will never end. Do you want a banana? night we dance around the flame. Then we get to play spirit game. Spirit names we shout out loud. Shake the thunder from the spirit cloud. All the songbirds in the tree chant a tune to let the spirits free. Then we see them in the night. Spirits jumping by firelight. Do you want a banana? Peel it down and go Do you want a banana? This banana for you.
If I back it up, is it fat enough? When I throw it back, is it fast enough? If I speed it up, then you hit it back.
Dude, I heard that God is about to proclaim the formula for true happiness.
Behold the new
You like waffles? Yeah, we like waffles. Do you like pancakes? Yeah, we like pancakes. Do you like French toast? Yeah, we like French toast. Can't wait to get a mouthful. Waffles! 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 Can't wait to get a mouthful. Do you like waffles? Yeah, we like waffles. Do you like pancakes? No! No!
When you can't even say my name, has the memory gone? Are you feeling numb?
Whatever you are, I'm all alone, and it's you that I'm on.
Wanna see something funny?
I'm so lonely. All the other Viltrumites are scared of me. No one talks to me. They think
your life is everything. You serve all purpose. You should treat yourself now and give yourself a piece of that oxygen in the ozone layer that's covered up so that you can breathe in this blue trap bubble. Because you know what I'm here for, to worship you. Love yourself. I mean that with 100%, with 1,000%.